Hello everyone. As we all know, we are here for the April's first activity of introduction. So we will start one by one. First, I will give my intro. My name is Nishant Uttam Jadhav. I am from Satara district, Maharashtra. I am 21 years old. I have done my schooling from Hutatma Prashna Vidyalaya, Vadu and 11th and 12th from Yashwantrao Tavan Institute of Science, Satara. Currently, I am pursuing a BTech Electrical Engineering at Government College of Engineering, Karad. Coming to my project, I have done a project on hydrogen generation for electrical vehicles, and I also performed some activities on ANSYS as part of my project. Coming to my programming skills, uh, I am comfortable in Java and I have started learning C. And coming to my hobbies include playing cricket, table tennis, and learning science. This year, I was in the college handball team, which we won in the zonal and were selected for interzonals. Thank you. That's it from my side. Now my friends will introduce one by one.
Hello everyone, my name is Pranav Kulkarni. I am from Pandharpur. My higher secondary college was completed in Oma College, Pandharpur. Now I am purchasing my BTech degree in Government College of Engineering, Karat. My programming language is Python C, and I have completed a mini project on the email sender using Python. Now I am working on the snake detector using radar system. My hobbies are reading newspapers daily, traveling, and reading books. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Swapnil Ganesh Rose. I am from Pandharpur, district Solapur. I have completed my schooling from Kautekar Prashala and HSC from Tarmoir Bharao Patil Mahavidyalaya Pandharpur. Uh, I am pursuing BTech Electrical degree at Government College of Engineering Kara. Other than electrical, I am comfortable with C language and currently I am learning Python language. In GCT college, I have done some projects like air filtration and purification. Also, the uh, making 3D model of magnetostatics using ANSYS software. Currently, I have done project of grid light automation uh, using Arduino Uno model. Then coming to my extracurricular activities, I have participated for selected for NCA coordinator for the board competition at the Avishkar program. Then I am flexible and attentive at the work, which helps me to inspire my teammates and give them a right direction for the entire project. Coming to my hobbies, I have I have I would like to play basketball and table tennis. Thank you.
First of all, good morning to all of you. My name is Hemraj Lakshman Bharsat and I am from Nasik. I have completed SSC from Government Ashram School Rameshwar and HSC from Janta Vidyalaya Manur. Currently, I am pursuing third year BTech Electrical Engineering from Government College of Engineering Karad. I have a good knowledge of C programming language and basic knowledge of Python programming language. I have done two projects in my academics. First is a power factor improvement kit, which shows reduction in line current, and second is a electrostatic effect planner capacitor using ANSYS software. Uh, uh, and my extracurriculum activities. I have participated in many activities like college level sports like volleyball, kabaddi, and kho. And also, I have participated in many workshops, which is organized by our Dice Club, uh, Dice Club workshop, and I am a member of Skill Development Club. And recently, I am improving my communication skill. Uh, and my hobbies are I learn new things, swimming and reading books, and that's all about me. Thank you.
Hello, welcome everyone. I am Avinash Vimra Torne, pursuing BTech third year of Electrical Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karan. I have completed my HSC from Mahatma Gandhi Vidyalaya and Junior College Dehwadi. I have completed my SSC from Panwan High School, Panwan. I have done an internship that is programming using the Python, and currently I am pursuing an internship that is electric and hybrid vehicle. I have a little bit knowledge about programming language such as C and Python. Currently, I am learning C++. I have done some projects such as voice recording using Octave, creating 3D model using the ANSYS to measure the eddy current effect and ohmic loss. And third project that is building digital tachometer using Arduino board. I have a quality to learn new things fastly. I was the captain of Coco team from school level education to the college level education. That's why I have the experience of team management. And I have one quality that makes me differ from others. That is, when I was under burden or pressurized condition, I will give my 100% and do best performance. And my hobbies are the listening, reading, and watching the biopics and reading the history books. Okay, thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Tejas Ramesh Kamri. I am from Chipri in district Kolhapur. I currently pursuing third year electrical engineering in Government College of Engineering, Kara. And I learned also C language and basic part of Python language. And I recently completed a industrial training in Srim Electrical Company in Jaisingpur. In company, I learned how to make a capacitor. I also learning started a Japanese language, and I also member of Thinking GCK community as a block writer. And also one project is completed to build Arduino based digital tachometer to measure the speed of rotating machine. I am interested in dancing, playing instruments like a dhol, drum, table, and reading books on social reformers. And I ability to work as a good team player and planning capability with good time management. So that's all about me. Thank you so much giving me this opportunity to introduce myself.
Hello everyone, I am Vedant Pradeep Kumar Mane. I am from Zaregaon, in Karad Taluka of Satara district. I am currently pursuing third year of degree in electrical engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have completed my HSC from JNV Satara 83%, and I have also completed my SSC from same Vidyalaya with 9 CG. Till now, I have completed two projects. First was I have created Maxwell 3D model on electrostatic effect in parallel plate capacitor, and second one was the project which is three-phase capacitive load bank. Coming to my hobbies, I like playing, especially basketball, and I also enjoy cycling and swimming. I am a hardworking and honest person, curious mind, and my greatest strength is I am multitasking, and also I have good adaptability, so I can manage myself anywhere. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Omkar Jain Sapte. My hometown is Lonan, which is belonging to the Satara district. Uh, Currently, I am pursuing my bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I am a self-motivated and a disciplined person. The reason behind is that my NCC course, which I had completed in my schooling days. As the sergeant of our NCC troop, I have represented my school in a different competitions and in a different ceremony. The one which would I like to mention here is that on the occasion of International Yoga Day, as a sergeant of our NCC troop, I have represented my school. I have completed my recently. I have completed my internship at Youth Empowerment and Foundation, uh, and also completed my certified course regarding project management. I am passionate about learning new technologies and learning the new programming language. I'm very much familiar with C language and starting to learning C++ and .NET. Uh, I have also made some Arduino-based experiments, some projects such as on and off LED by using our mobile phone, then a weight measuring instrument, and then a smart stick. Uh, I have also made some 8051 microcontroller based simulator. The main which I would like to mention here, they are speed control of DC motor and smart parking system. Besides from this, I am an active member of our college defense group. Also, I am an active member of a sensing GCK platform and a head of budgeting department at a cultural uh, committee. When I was a freshman, I had participated in our college hackathon where I had made a project regarding the smart sensor, that is a smart temperature sensor. Uh, my hobbies are playing whistle, playing kabaddi, and watching the science fiction movies. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. I'm Kartikeya Pramod Joshi. I'm from Shevgaon district, Ahmednagar. I have done my HSC and SSC schooling from Padma Bhushan Balasaheb Bharti High School, Shevgaon, place where we meet people of different culture and adapt new things. Currently, I'm pursuing BTech in Electrical Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I am an enthusiast person with a always willingness to work with different people. I always wanted to add new connections with people and adapt their culture. I have strong willingness toward working in teams. So as I am a team player, I have I have represented my teams in college events. I have done some projects. One of them is air filter and purifier for healthy living. We have just recently created one project of wireless power transmission using semiconductor devices. I have also one proposed idea for energy generation using unused places of terrace for of people's houses for the energy production using solar panels. I have done one another project using ANSYS Maxwell 3D software, which was for magnetostatic effect. I have done extracurricular activities in which I have completed some courses from Coursera platform from Michigan and Buffalo universities about power system and solar energies. Now I am comfortable in Python and C languages, and I am currently working on their advanced things. I have great willingness toward team playing, so I always wanted to play cricket and table tennis. Uh, Photography and traveling my are my favorite things. So thank you.
Hello everyone. First of all, I want to thank everyone to give me this opportunity. My name is Guru Shamdarekar. I am from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. I have done my ESSC and HSC from Residential Junior College, Ahmednagar. Now I am pursuing my BTech in Electrical Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad, which is an autonomous institute of Maharashtra. Coming to my projects, whenever I am in first year, I have work on air purifier and air heater. Now in third year, I have also work on mini project that is wireless power transmission. In that we transmit power from one point to another point wirelessly. Now coming to my technical skills, in my technical skills, I am good in Python language. Also, I am familiar with Arduino and ANSYS software. Now coming to my qualities, I have multitasking personality. I am also consistent and hardworking. Coming to my extracurricular activities, I am active member of sports department. Coming to my hobbies, I always like to make new friends. and always trying to gain something new. And I am passionate about my sports, that is table tennis. Thank you.